We are going, sweetheart. We're going to IKEA for another shopping. Every day, sweetheart, you're shopping. You're shopping every day. You love it. You love it being with Daddy every day. You're bright shopping. We go Lolo today. Get your cereal and milk. Beautiful island of Amwa. Amwa. We live in Amwa Island. This is the neighborhood of Amwa. Yes. No more sunset. This is a noontime sun. The heat gets into my soul. Loft luxury furnished homes. This is the neighborhood of Amwa Island.
It's floating city.
That's the floating city here in the right hand side.
That's the left hand side.
Oh, left hand side. Gosh. Daddy.
See that sign? Floating city?
Oh yeah, floating city. Floating city, Venice Canal, and see that Venice luxury apartment, and there is Tilal in that where we live in Tilal. They have Marina. Yeah, they have Chelsea, the Grand Venice, and they have saxophone. But yeah, that's Ballerina Cappuccina.
That's the prettiest apartments I ever seen, where they stacked on top of each other. It's called The Views.
The View. The
It's
View.
way it's stacked. It look like containers.
Yeah. In black and tan color. Beautiful dates. There's a big hospital, American Mission Hospital. And the Pampamazing. I love Bahrain. They're all in a Bahrain logo. Other side. Side, your left hand side, Daddy.
Mommy, donut.
Donut, chilies. This all a nice restaurant, dine-in restaurant over there.
Man.
Dunkin' Donut.
Apa?
So it will not stay long. Good. Oh, airplane! DHL airplane.
Daddy, there's airplane.
Yellow airplane.
Daddy, there's airplane.
Huh?
Daddy.
I see it.
Our baby love crazy about airplane. He loves airplane.
airplanes.
Don't you want to see airplanes?
Yellow airplane.
That's the airplane.
Today is Friday. That's why it's not really traffic. People still sleeping. They will come out at night time. Another Toyota Prius. Big one. Big Prius. It seems like the trunk is transparent. Yeah.
That's a window.
Oh.
My other one had the same thing.
Oh, okay. Huh?
Hurry up. Hurry up.
We're driving to Sitra to go IKEA.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Now, baby, you know all the name of the places, huh?
No, I don't keep paying attention to that crap. Nope.
But you say that the Lulu and Heat.
I know a certain area since we live, I drive past it every day. Yeah, I know. I'm in here all the time. Of
Yeah,
course I know
but
that.
unlike before, we don't know where is it just Lulu. Neo! Bigger plane!
Daddy!
Neo!
Mommy!
Bigger plane!
Daddy! See, that's the bigger plane.
Mhm.
Yes! Bigger plane, Neo!
Daddy!
He loves airplane. That's why when he see airplane, he's very happy. And that's a big airplane, Neo. You see that?
Can't see that.
Oh, but they cover the fins. You see it?
There's their plane.
Yeah. That's the one you just see flying. It's just landed. Biggest airport of Manama, Bahrain International Airport. Over there, that building, big building.
Oh, where's my airplane, Mommy? Where's my airplane? Mommy, where's my airplane?
It's there in the airport.
Airplane?
Airplane in the sky, flying, oh so high.
They finally about to tear this up because they just put this wall up here.
They stopped that
Waterfall.
man-made waterfall.
Yeah, but they did that a year ago, and now
Maybe
they just put this wall up like in a week because I've been driving past here.
They're going to fix it maybe.
You know, a bunch of
Call off with 100 Phil's ice cream of McDonald's.
look at it. The Eagles, they're gonna change all of it.
The Falcon.
They're gonna change all of it around. They done put a building over there. They're gonna be working there for
That's
a while.
the Falcon. That's their national bird.
They're doing a whole lot of construction over here. It'll be pretty when they finish, because everything they're doing now, they're making it look good over here.
Somebody's walking. And I say stop. Go. This little guy, he wants to drive. Bahrain, beautiful architecture. Over there. Bahraini, beautiful architecture. The Four Seasons Hotel, the Onyx Rotana, that West building. And the H building is Four Seasons Hotel. Avenues Mall. The best hotel to check in is the Hilton Garden because it's connected to the Avenues Mall. So very easy. Just go down in the ground floor. What? They're blowing their horn. What? You don't like it?
That's the truth.
That's the Muda Mall. The windmill building. The avenues. The avenues. And the Four Seasons Hotel. Onyx Rotana. And Windham Hotel.
Come back right there.
Yeah.
It's the back wheel leaning like that. His wheels are not aligned.
Oh.
His tires are wearing real bad.
Oh yeah.
His tires are wearing real fast, real bad in one spot.
So it's not dangerous.
Yeah, he's running over bumps and it just threw everything off. Well, he got to put that on the machine to fix that.
To realign.
Yep.
It's the Muda Hotel. Mall. Baby love. Tama na sa gapang yung. The IKEA is not Citra.
No.
They are Isa.
Yeah, Isa.
Al-Isa.
This is the prettiest part of down. This is where I wanted to move it right here. Stay clean as heck over here.
Yeah, because they're here, over here, or in
Right here.
around in city center.
This is Sikh.
The Al-Sif. This is district
Yeah.
of Al-Sif. See, that's a Carrefour, city center. City center.
I could have got that apartment. We would have been in the apartment out there on the seashore. I'm sure would have got that apartment.
Oh my gosh, look at that architecture. That's beautiful. Looks like Twin Tower.
gate right there, that's what you put around your house. Tall like that, you can see right through it. Unless you just want privacy, you don't want nobody to see nothing in it.
Much better so that there is 2 or 3 hollow blocks. So no cat, you know, no mouse can get into your backyard easily.
No, I was just talking about the gate part. No, I agree with you putting the hollow blocks going up.
Just look at that, the fence in San Antonio. The dog can they call that one, open the soil under the fence and they go in and out under the fence.
Yeah, you did a cheap, that's what you call a cheap fix.
Yeah, during the time we don't have money, we just bought the car and all I need just to secure the house, put that fence up. So nobody can get in and out in the backyard or in the front yard. So when there is a fence and the dog barking, they're scared. Isa Town.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isa Town. What's that?
This way, because I know if I go on one street I go, it keeps on the same street that I key on one. When I go the other way, I gotta get off an exit to get on this street. And I wasn't sure which one it was, but I took the right one. Because if I had took the other way,
Isa Town.
through here, would it can't be coming off of that exit right there.
That's
Yeah,
where we are
good.
going. Idea over there. But we have to take a 2-kilometer store.
Daddy, what is that?
This is how you take your turn just to get to IKEA.
Daddy,
It's like 2 or 3 kilometers store to go back to IKEA. 5 or 6 kilometers.
It's 2.5 to go down this way and 2.5 to go back. So it's 5 miles total. IKEA sign for the about time, as long as it's been there.
It's IKEA over there.
While I'm feeling this heat while we driving. Now I look at the damn temperature and I'll see why.
Mommy, I want to go to IKEA.
Yes, we're going there.
Yeah. 3 weeks ago, I seen them when they put the pole up. We just stuck the sign up because that wasn't up there. Just put that sign up.
Mommy, I want to go IKEA.
Yeah, we're going now. go home.
IKEA. We'll go home now. IKEA.
Now IKEA. Empty parking.
Why is that?
Empty parking.
No, that's the IKEA.
For now, it's empty because it's still a little bit early for them to go out because it's very hot outside. Starting 4 o'clock, it will be filled up. To 70% sale. Took for us 30 minutes to get here from Amua to IKEA. Amua Island.
Mommy left the car.
Yes, sweetheart.
Oh my god.
What? Oh my god.
Horse. Let's open the door.
Cannot open?
Oh. Wow.
Wow. What's that? Don't touch it.
Mommy, look.
Go. Go with Daddy.
Daddy, look. Toyota.
You like the car? The color or what? Oh my gosh. Guapa. Guapang lala. Ay may date kami karon. Upod sang migo ni pabibi kag ang asawa yaman nga Thailandi. Una nga nagpagwapa na ang lola nyo. IKEA entrance. Hedge. Bahrain.
See how low they are? They're not low at all.
Red and yellow. The Father and the Son. The Father and the Son. And Holy Mother. Summer sale. Navy blue bed. Welcome to IKEA Bahrain. Everyday shopping to fill up the big house. I don't know. And then when we about for us to go back to US, we have plenty of stuff because when we were in Korea, we bought also lots of stuff. Now that we are in Bahrain, we're buying lots of stuff. All the stuff stay behind in the what is that one? Storage. Without akong shoes, oh. Big shoes. Chair. The bench. Honey, your kids. Now. Nail Borneo. Grab the cart now. The shopping begins here. Yeah. Home idea. Living room. You like this, sweetheart? For you? Yeah, sit down, sit down. There, the small one. Yeah. Yeah, the panda.
Daddy, your panda.
Yeah, it's 1 BD 900. Grab one. Grab one panda. It's only 1 BD 900. Oh. Come on. Grab one panda. Let's go. Stop screaming. You don't want panda?
Where is the panda?
If you don't want to leave it alone, leave it there.
It's 1 BD. That's fine.
Mommy, the bees. What was they doing?
Yeah, they have a lot of sale.
Like half price.
Yeah, I see. It's 20% to 70%. Huh? Summer
I
sale.
hope that damn foot thing I get this is still in here.
Yeah. You see it last time?
They had sold out of them. Last time I was here, it was on sale.
How much that Neo? 900. I grabbed this for my coffee. So I can make cappuccino. Cappuccino ballerina. The rug.
This is dark blue. But it ain't 59.
Dark blue?
59. For that big piece.
Yeah.
59,700. Lain na rin buyan ng buyog. B. Bubuyog. Neo, you forget that? What you learn? Butterfly. Paru-paru. B is bubuyog.
Oh. Come.
No, that's except. Kapoy, nakuha na video ah.
Grab.
Alright. Until here for now. Thank you for watching. See you to my next video. Neo, say thank you. Say thank you, Neo. Thank you for watching. Basta bila hindi pwede magala video.